Alright, hey folks, welcome back. So we've got some plugins and everything installed. We got posts, we got pages, got a whole bunch of stuff. What we don't have is any media yet. So what you're going to do is click on the media library, and media is all sorts of stuff. You can have audio files, you can have pictures, you can have PDFs or Word documents even that you're uploading, anything that you want to make available to the people that you're making this website for. So the media library is really great. It's super flexible. And basically what it does is it allows you to upload whatever you need and then create a link for it. One of the things you want to be careful of, especially if you have things like huge picture files or huge audio files or even video files, is just eating up a ton of room on your server. So I'm not going to really talk about that here because I'm just using like a couple pictures as an example. But basically, you just want to be careful about adding too many files that are big to your server. So especially if you're running on something that's self-hosted and you're sharing a server with a bunch of other people, it can slow your website down and slow everybody else's website down, and that's not good. So basically, again, super intuitive. You're going to come to the media library and click Add New. So that brings you to this, upload new media thing, and you can either just drag and drop files here, or you can select files to upload. So I've just got, this selected here. We're going to go ahead and do this, bee picture. I got it from Flickr here at this from Photo Field Day. So, just so that you guys know. And it's uploaded. Great. So I'm going to just click on edit, just show you what this all looks like. You'll see here that you have the image, and you can edit the image. It allows you to do a few different things to it. You can rotate or crop or whatever. You can just kind of get in there, flip it if you need to. One of the main things you'll see now is this URL. So if you copy the URL and come over here and actually paste this in, you'll see that it has a direct link to this picture and this picture only. So that's something that you can keep in mind for if you have something like a document that you want to share. You can just upload it to the media library, just drag it and drop in here if it's like a PDF or something, and then you can get that URL and have it here and share that link with people, and people can go and download your PDF or something like that. One of the things that you can do also with this type of media is link to it, and so we'll just go ahead and kind of come in here. I'm actually going to change this format back to standard. But there's a couple different things you can do with media, right? Let's say that it's a picture, obviously, and we're going to go to the media library. Sorry, I kind of went through that a little fast. Go up here and you're going to click on Add Media. And you're going to go to the media library, and you have this picture already there. And you can change the title on it, add a caption to it, and another alternate text, B, right? Description, this is a B. And decide where you want it to be placed. You want left, center, right. I usually go center with files, and this has a link to the file and everything and the size. So we're just going to go ahead and insert this into post, and you can see that the caption's there, the alt text will be there. I'm going to go ahead and update this post, right? So once this post is updated, it'll think for a second, and you can again view the post, and now you got a picture on there, and it's as easy as that. There are a lot of different things that you can do with media on WordPress. It's really great. I'm not going to cover that here, but there's a lot of different media libraries and all sorts of stuff that you can do with it through plugins and everything else. So if you have any questions on that, let me know. Again, you can reach me at nate@finchproservices.com or just in the comments section here on Lyft. So I'll see you in the next lesson.